So after a lot of videos, I got the opportunity to, give the intro. So what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. And as you guys know that we are going on a trip coming in few days. And all the preparations for that trip are started from today. Ducati's insurance is over. We are getting panniers on the Ducati. So the entire day's journey will be regarding that. And also meanwhile we are catching up with all the people who are coming to the journey and finalizing the itinerary. And yeah.
Wait. You know what? We still don't know. It is almost the 10th of February now. And we still don't know where we are traveling.
And we are not doing that coin flippy thing. So today we are meeting and properly
finalizing a proper destination, where to go, what to do, when to go. No, when to go is fixed.
When to go? The time frame is fixed.
Yeah, because I had to apply for my leave about a month ago. Over a month ago, that is. And that is fixed.
Who are coming is also fixed.
Today's program, first I need to take the Ducati out. Need to get the insurance done on it. Then come back home, drop the Ducati at home, eat lunch, and then take the BMW,
the 1250
GS, go to the BMW showroom. Kishore is going to join me at the showroom there, and he's got a few things to be done on his bike. Then meet everybody. After meeting everybody, get the Thruxton and get back home. That is my program for the day. It's going to be one very busy day, and it's about 10:40 right now in the morning. And I need to start in about 30 minutes.
You guys will join Rohit. Meanwhile, my program is I'm going out to work. Then from there, I'm going on a small date with Sharanya. Sharanya क्या है? Sharanya के साथ ही रहे. दूसरों के साथ गए तो मारते. And people are getting confused between Shravya, dude. Who's Shravya? She's Sharanya. And
you never know who is Shravya, Shujo.
And meanwhile I'm going to join them and finalize the plan. And yeah, so you guys will meet on road
and we'll meet you when everybody is around. This fellow is going to come back into the video after some time. So now it's time for me to get ready. Wow, you saw that? Those ducks there. Yeah, it's very small, I guess, but yeah, they've just landed in the water and it looks really beautiful. Okay, so I'll meet you again on the road just beyond the military area, and by the time I get ready, go there, just watch this small advert and just check this video out, and I'll see you on the other side of this video. Till then, bye.
Skincare is actually essential for everyone, and Wow Skin Science has these vitamin C face washes, and along with that they have multiple products which have vitamin C. Good thing about Wow Skin Science is they are mostly natural ingredients. More than 97% of their products are natural ingredient.
The vitamin C face wash, it actually helps in removing all the dead cells, and it also helps in removing all the impurities on your skin. This also helps in brightening up your skin, and the brush which is available on top of the face wash, it actually actuates the process and helps it in cleaning your skin much faster.
It does not matter day or night. You actually have to use or clean up your face twice a day. Once while you're taking bath, and second time after coming out. Wherever you go out, after coming back home, just take a face wash, pamper yourself a bit more, and your skin will feel lively and it feels good after a couple of days.
This is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Skin Toner, and what it does, it helps in hydrating back your skin. It gives you back the moisturizer kind of an effect, and it gives you nourishment which helps in improving your skin's quality.
Following it up with the toner, you have to use a serum. Just small,
a peanut size basically. It actually destroys all the impurities. It helps in closing all the pores which are open for a very long time.
And after all that, before going out, you should apply the daily face gel, the vitamin C daily face gel.
All these products by Wow Skin Science, they do not have all these harmful chemicals. So it is very important that you don't, put harmful chemicals on your skin. So they don't have any sulfates and stuff like that, which causes harm and permanent damage to your skin. So there are no added colors as well. So just before you head out, apply the face gel, and just before you go to sleep, there is a night gel as well. Apply that, go to rest. Next day morning you'll be waking up with a much better feeling skin. Before we get going, I just wanted to tell you one last thing. All the products which we've just shown you, the links to that will be in the description below. You can purchase these off Amazon or on the Wow Skin Science website.
Work's done. We've got the pollution check done, and that's an iron 883. Harley boys. For some reason Harley riders don't gel along with the other guys, eh? And there's no other bike like the Harley for them. All these two-stroke bikes have given me a fascination. This is an RX 100 right in front of us now. Also, they are gas guzzlers. They don't have that power of modern day machines. They're just fun small motorcycles to ride. It's a bloody hot day today. 32 degrees Celsius. And most of the RX 100 riders ride like that. Only signal, people who are aware of Hyderabad, this is the only signal there's been a bike checking happening. They stopped us. Big bikes stopped, and they asked us all the documents. Showed it to them immediately, and then they're like, okay. All those were done. They were basically stopping bikes for the checking the sound. They didn't check mine, but they just checked my documents. Uske baad they were like, kitna deti hai, kitna ka hai bike, all the standard questions. And then unfortunately the camera was off. It's recording now, and they were like, what does this camera do? They were very fascinated with it. They were very fascinated with this world of bikes, and they were sweet for a change. Sweet cops. Kitna deti hai? And then I showed them the mileage here, and then I changed. It's coming about 16.4. They were shocked. Then they were like, itna kam? And I was like, the engine of this bike is bigger than that of a car, so can't expect more than that. Why, oh why? Dude, it's 12 o'clock. Why is there so much traffic here? I thought I am jobless. This is like next level. This is crazy. I've seen traffic in Hyderabad here, which is bad all the times, but today is next level. Oh. Hopefully there'll be less traffic from the time we cross this signal. It's been mental today. I don't know why. Finally I've gotten a little lucky when it comes to traffic, but look at the opposite side. I have to come back in that route itself, but ain't happening, mate. Oof. This is next level today. It is never this busy at this time. It is a very odd hour. It's just past noon. The insurance is over. It's 1:50 in the afternoon. I haven't had lunch yet. Work still left. Insurance is done, pollution is done, so major works are done. The small thing that's left is the number plate. I want to fix the number plate on the bike, so I'm heading to Dynamic Riders. Let's get it done, go home, and then continue with the rest. Actually, I don't know when will I be having lunch. It'll be, I guess, 4 by the time we have lunch. I don't have that much time here. I'm short on time today. And it's sizzling hot. What we can do is we can go to Dynamic Riders, call Srijan up, call Kishore up, and plan accordingly. jack. Oh, this place looks fancy. Wow. Looks uber expensive as well. Finally, we are here. Oh, there's another Ducati. Oh, that's got an Acra on it. I'm on the Thruxton. Plan changed. I didn't go back home. I didn't get the BMW. Kishore came directly to Dynamic. I was sitting there for about an hour and a half. And we are now heading to this place called Funnel Hill Creamery. And I don't know why are we going there also. We could have sat there. But these guys wanted to go. So me, Kishore, Charan, Shriman and Srujan are going to meet there. And we're going to discuss about the ride plans. And that's Kishore riding the Ducati. Charan actually has come in his Ather, the new aquamarine color Ather which he has taken. He's slightly up ahead. He just started about a few minutes before us. Wanted to show you the new 20 rupee coin of India. This is the first time I've seen it. I don't know how many of you guys have seen it before, but it looks fancy. Let's now go to Funnel Hill Creamery. Bentley showroom of Hyderabad, and they have the new Continental GT there. Not the Royal Enfield, Bentley Continental GT. Oh my god, that's a fabulous of a machine. औकात से बहुत बाहर है. Okay. So we are actually heading to the BMW showroom. We'll drop these two bikes there, and we'll get into Sriman's car and go to Chaitanya's house. What are we doing for this day? Honestly, nothing much. आज का प्रोग्राम पूरा खत्म एंड सब अभी पूरा टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. And again we are getting into the stupid traffic of Hyderabad, and which I really hate. Actually, we can reach home within an hour abhi, but nobody feels like going home. I think there's another machine on two wheels which is as tall as this and handles as well as this. It has grip forever. It has got crazy amount of pull. 11:10 in the evening or in the night, should I say? And we're still not home. I'm on the Thruxton. Kishore is behind me on the Ducati. He's coming home along with me to take his bike, which he has to come all the way home and then go back. But we found this is to be the best time for him to go back with his bike because there's hardly going to be any traffic and he can reach his home within 10 minutes from my house. Normal daytime that would take easy 40-45 minutes. So we had a great time actually. I didn't get the camera so I didn't vlog the rest of the day, but we were at Chaitanya's house and we had a very good time. Dinner was at his place. So I'll see you again in the next vlog. I'm heading back home. It's about 11:30 by the time I'll reach home. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. See ya.